Good day po. I am King Peter P. Palustre, and today uh, I will give my learnings, my opinions about Chapter 1 of the Strategic Management, which is this book. It is a book published by Dr. Benedict and Dr. Mary Rose Palma, and it is recently published on this year. So, my learning in the first chapter is that strategy is the ultimate game plan for winning, moving far beyond just doing business to focus on long term survival and success. And I realized that the concept actually has roots in many things, but today the world is about being future focused and situationally adaptive. One of the most important takeaways for me is the distinction between the strategy and tactics. Uh, while strategy for defines the what and why, our overarching goals tactics are the specific how steps bring that vision life. I also learned po na the static management is not a one-time event but a continuous five-stage cycle starting with the scanning, the environment, and then the for opportunities and threats, and moving through these formulation, implementation, and constant evaluation. I now understand the success strategies must be more than just the boss. They must be a visionary and analyze who can lead people through changes. And ultimately, this chapter taught me that a well-managed organization that does just not react on the world. It uses strategic clarity to build a competitive advantage and stay resilient even when things get tough. And to relate the internship from this chapter is uh, based on my internship, the bank broad strategy is to promote a financial inclusion and then support the farmers, but our daily tactical work look a providing sufficient or efficient customer service at the Santa Cruz branch or LBP Santa Cruz is how we actually win the trust of the local community every day. Even seeing how the staff handles disruption, the long queues, and show me the agility and the resilience look like in a professional settings. It made me realize that even as an intern, being an integrator by aligning by small tasks with bank's bigger goal is